Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah Long with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And this video might get really fun because my camera is standing perilously close to the back of this 400 SLX. Guys, we are on an incredible boat. It wasn't actually Sea Ray, it was actually the clients that nicknamed this boat the Entertainer. And it only got better when Sea Ray decided to let us put 600 Mercuries on the back. Part of the reason this boat has this name is not only the incredible swim pad back here, as well as a backrest that will move off to the side. Super cool feature. The reason it's so cool is because this gunnel side, guys, is an activity platform that completely folds down flat. And you're like, hey, why aren't you showing us that on the video? Guys, right now we're using the skyhook feature from the joystick to hold ourselves in place in a pass, and those motors like to be off when that is down. That's all there is to it. Inside the primary portion of this boat is so much space. Guys, you have 12 foot of beam. You have an incredibly huge teak table. You have an awesome wet bar. This is one of a couple of configurations. You can do one grill and storage, two grills, but this is unquestionably my favorite part. Dual refrigeration. If there's anything that clients ask for more of, it's places to keep things cool. And that's not it. There's coolers tucked under various seats. And down in the cabin, there's another small refrigerator. Your controls are there. You can option this boat with a TV if you want it. Guys, here's one thing up at the helm I love. There's a little bit of skylight over your head. This is nice whether you're cruising at night or you're in some of our northern territories and you just want the sunlight. Here at the dash, you can see this big warning. Guys, that's my skyhook telling us to keep swimmers out of the water. You have an incredible dash. These are called NSO, black box touchscreen units that are fantastic. You've got great controls from Mercury. You actually have tactile controls for your screen. There's more here. We could do a whole video series on just this. Now, one thing I've got to talk about on this 400 is the cabin. You see, my film crew wants us to go down here, but this is at least a half an hour in and of itself. 2 beds, a great microwave, a refrigerator, TV, stand-up head. There is so much down in this cabin to go over. It's something to do in person. So come visit us at the Sarasota store. Guys, there's one more part to this boat you have to see, and it's the front. There's nearly enough, actually there is enough room for dancing up here. I've watched my clients do it. Awesome seating. This is such a unique way of laying out the seating with both a forward-facing lounger as well as the traditional V loungers and a table that goes in the middle. There is so much flexibility at the front of this boat. Guys, I'm Jeremiah Long and this is MarineMax in Sarasota. We've barely scratched the surface. Guys, give us a call and we'll show you in depth why this boat is called the Entertainer.